You say, laro tayo.
Zion, you know Tagalog?
Tagalog.
Yeah.
Then speak. You tell, then speak. Then,
Zion, speak. Tell me something in Tagalog.
Bakit?
Only that?
you said, kasi gusto kong matuto. Tell.
Kasi gusto ako nito to.
Tutog.
Kasi,
Zion, join me.
kasi gusto kong matuto mag-Tagalog. Go, tell.
Because I want to learn Tagalog.
Why do we...
Yung asim, kumain ka na.
Asim, kumain ka na?
Zion, kumain ka ma?
Wait now.
Ha?
Kumakain na tayo.
Is eating.
He's
Kumakain
eating.
na tayo po.
Tanungin mo, what is eating? Go. In Tagalog.
Zion, what are you eating?
No, in Tagalog.
Zion, join me.
You said in Tagalog. Anong kinakain mo? Tell. Anong kinakain mo?
Join me.
Say, anong kinakain mo, Sayon?
Punya, wuju, wuju. Eh,
Go. You say,
you.
sa, salita tayo ng Tagalog.
Salita tayo Tagalog. Salita tayo Tagalog.
What do you mean? What does it mean?
Paano ba sabihin mo? usap tayo sa Tagalog. You tell. Yeah?
Hindi rin yung salita.
Salita tayo ng Tagalog. You tell him.
Salita tayo Tagalog. Salita tayo Tagalog.
What does it mean?
It means we speak Tagalog in the Philippines. In the
Let's play. Join me.
You say, you talk Tagalog.
how
You
to
say,
say we play?
laro tayo, be.
Layo taro be?
Laro,
Play.
laro tayo.
Laro tayo.
laro tayo, you say. Okay, go.
Layo na